Abajabulanga neze abalandeli bamaBuccaneers ngenkathi bebona uNkotha egqoke ijezi lamakhosi. Al Ettifaq FC, the team that Nkotha is playing for in Saudi Arabia, shared pictures of their players on Instagram account. So obviously South Africans will look for uNkotha because yilo-ke umdlali wethu odlalela lona-ke lela qembu. Bathi abantu sebebheka-ke babona uNkotha egqoke lona-ke ijezi le-Kaizer Chiefs. Unfortunately, azange-ke baresponde kahle-ke laba abalandela yona-ke Orlando Pirates because obviously i-Pirates-ke nayo-ke i-Chiefs are rivals. So I'm guessing ama-Orlando Pirates fans were expecting ukuthi-ke ngeke bambone-ke uNkotha egqoke ijezi le-Kaizer Chiefs. Kanti-ke i-team yakhe izovela imposte-ke laphana ku-Instagram. So umfana omncane-ke sebeyam-attack-ke manje. Abanye baze bayabuza ukuthi why would he wear a Kaizer Chiefs jersey? Kodwa-ke phela kumele sazi ukuthi uNkotha akasadlaleli-ke yona i-Pirates and washo-ke like a few weeks ago ukuthi yena wakhula esupporta yona-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs. Kanti-ke le jezi aligqokile akusilona-ke ijezi alithengile yabo. Ijezi-ke a few weeks ago bashare-ke benomfundo Vilakazi ukuthi ba-exchange ama-jerseys ngoba uNkotha-ke was here back in South Africa. So manje-ke ukhethe ukuthi aligqoke le jezi unfortunately kanti-ke i-team yakhe izomposta-ke laphana ku-Instagram. So abantu-ke sebeyalwa-ke laba be-Pirates nayo-ke i-Chiefs. Abe-Chiefs bathi ayikho-ke inkinga because it does not play for Orlando Pirates anymore. Abe-Pirates bathi-ke kumele sure akhombise-ke i-respect because i-Kaizer Chiefs are the biggest rivals yayo-ke i-Orlando Pirates. Wena ubona kanjani? Are people taking this thing out of proportion? Because-ke vele-ke noNkotha kusunguye-ke oshare lesithombe sisherwe yilo-ke iqembu lakhe.